Looks like there's a problem here. What can we do to resolve it? The first step is to ignore. Notice how the jump rovers are ignoring the other students. We still have a problem. What can we do to try and resolve it? The second step of handling it is to move away if possible. Watch as the students move their jump rope game elsewhere. Unfortunately, trouble seems to follow them. What can we do to try to resolve the problem? The third step of handling is to speak in a friendly voice. Notice how Ashley used a friendly voice to let the disruptive students know that she didn't like what they were doing. The problem, however, still seems to exist. What can we do to try and resolve it? The fourth step of handling it is to speak in a firm voice. Wesley spoke in a firm voice to let the students know that he did not appreciate the way they were acting. There is still a problem, though. What can we do to try and resolve it? The fifth and last step of handling it is to get help. Ask the teacher to help you resolve the conflict if you've tried all the other steps. Great job, first graders. Sometimes, though, you will not need to go through every step. Let's see what it would look like if we only had to take a few steps. It looks like there's a problem in line. What can we do to try and resolve it? Again, the first step is to ignore. Notice how Callie and Sophia are ignoring what Cole is doing. Oh, wait for it. Notice how Callie and Sophia are ignoring what Cole is doing, but he still hasn't gotten the message. What if we try to resolve it? Again, the second step of handling is to move away if possible. Watch as Callie moves away. Unfortunately, the disruptive student is still bothering Sophia. What can she do to resolve the problem? The third step of handling is to speak in a friendly voice. Problem resolved. And that's the way we usually handle it on our floor. There are two things to remember about handling. If there's a situation where someone is going to get hurt, either a student will hurt themselves or hurt someone else, you go immediately to get help. And also, as students here at St. John's who value kindness, honesty, respect, and compassion, if someone is using Hamlet to try to resolve a conflict with you, please be respectful of that. Thank you.